Hi from Thailand, Chiang Mai. Today we are enjoying this city life and we have a perfect condo apartment. Let's go and see together. So let's go and see our new apartment. You can see here a special locker. I never use like this, but it seems to me fun and safe. And we are in. Let's start from this corner. We have area to put our shoes here. It's so nice and functional. And we have some flowers decorations which make this house cozy. At the left side we have this dining room. You can put here 4 people. It's decorated so nice. It has also like gray plates and some decoration, vase and flowers. And I love this graphic so much. It doesn't bother you, but it's really makes it also more interesting. At this corner we have a big fridge. You definitely can live here for a long term. You can put a lot of food here and some greeny things also. At this side, mirror with a white frame. And here we have a kitchen. Kitchen is super minimalist. Here some interesting details like this warm wood, knives, this yellow pen, not pen.
I also don't know.
Yellow dish, poster. This is so cute, I love it. Pink and texture. And here this cooker hood, they hide it pretty well. Normally in kitchen you can see some big hood, but this is really minimal and nice. And let's take a look to our living room. But before I will close curtains to make our light a little bit better. Take a look at this TV wall. We have some shelves, we put my laptop, phones, and we have different decoration like frame, sticks, candles, some base again, and these cool books. Take a look at this book.
They're fake!
Yes, you see, I never saw like this in interior, but you can buy these fake books and make your interior more cozy. It works, it works. And here we have this nice and cute couch. It has a great color, it's simple, but it decorated also with a different pillows, with a different patterns, and this nice fur. So it makes it interesting and warm. Normally we don't watch TV, but we found something interesting here. Yeah, we discovered K-pop. And let's take a look what we have more. We have this nice chair. We can put our fur here, play with a laptop or something. And before I forgot, this couch also can be open and it creates such a good atmosphere like in the cinema. And most probably you are curious what is behind this door. Let's go and take a look. Here our bedroom. It looks so light and simple. We don't have too much stuff here, but it's enough to be well rested. Here the lamp, black lamp. Here our big wardrobe. We use it a little bit. We put our backpacks and some things. Here one night table with a cool lamp. And here our big comfortable bed. Oh, it's cool. And you can see that it looks like someone just threw it, but actually Engin works on it around 30 minutes to make it look like that. And let's go and see our bathroom. The bathroom is simple, made in a white colors, and it feels really refreshing. Here we have our sink, mirror. If you want, you can open door and have a lot of natural lighting. And shower zone. You can close the glass door and enjoy your tropical shower. It can go directly to your head. And here we have a zone where you can put your shampoo and shower gel. Here we have towels hanger and such a cozy flip-flops. Also great color, which match interior. So, what makes this apartment so cozy and interesting for me? I love so much these gray walls, they make in a dark color, and we have a lot of details which also make this interior special. Like these plants, candles, wood things, golden things, and you feel here really like at home. As you know, this is Condo, and Condo always has a huge privilege. So let's go and see it together.
This is our favorite part about Condo. So nice. As you can see, this is our pool, and in the middle of the pool there's a fitness area, which I find it really cool because you can see the nature inside the condo, of course, and the pool. We have also a library where you can chill, sit with a friend or a girlfriend and enjoy your time. I hope you enjoy this house tour too, and if you like it,
put the like
button. And we'll see you in the next house tour video. Bye bye. It's time to enjoy.